All right, let's look at yo. So we write yi, okay. So and then we write wo. It's yo. We use y and v for that. Okay, yo. This is an independent form, 就是那个独立态。Okay, so for example, yuan nan. So this is a yo at the beginning, and this is n. So it's a Yunnan. Okay, so it's this character, and this is a nan. N and a and n. So nan. So this is yo at the beginning. So yo in the middle. Let's see. Yuan. This is a ge gi, okay, and then yi, and then wan, wo, and n. So this is like this way. Yuan is for this character. Jun is kind of a county or region. Okay, if we put a wang here, Jun Wang, all right. So it's kind of a commandery prince. All right. So let's see another example. For example, 将军. Okay. So you see 鸡以鸡, 鸡以鸡. This is 鸡声母鸡, and this is 韵母一. They look the same, but they're different. Okay. Yang. This is a yi and a and n and ji. So this is a jiang, 将军的将 as a military general. Okay, and Jun. It goes this way. Gi. Okay. And then y. Okay, and then wan. This is wo. And this is n. So together it reads 将军. So it is 将军, a military leader. All right.